Hey, if your JBL Go 4 speaker doesn't turn on with this power button, first of all, you have to actually check if your battery has been charged. So what I mean, if you have not used your speaker for some time, there's a chance that the battery has completely discharged. So I recommend you to connect this speaker to the charger for around 2 or even 3 hours. Like this. After this, you can check if the indicator is turned on. If after 2 or 3 hours it's turned on, or it just turns on after you just plug it already, it means that the speaker is actually working properly. And after this, you have to just try to click once on the button, on the power button. If it doesn't work, you can actually click and hold it a little bit longer and wait for the indicator behavior. But if it still doesn't work, there's probably a more serious problem that you are unlikely to fix yourself. So in such a case, I will try to use the warranty or contact their service that will professionally repair your device. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.